Welcome to my YouTube channel Unfold Biography. Today we will talk about Prophet Samuel alayhi salam. Let's start the video. Samuel alayhi salam was an important figure in the Bible, known as a prophet, judge, and leader of Israel. His story begins when Samuel alayhi salam's mother, Hannah, was deeply sad because she couldn't have children. She prayed to God, asking for a son, and promised to dedicate him to God's service. Allah answered her prayers, and Samuel alayhi salam was born. When Samuel alayhi salam was still a young boy, his mother took him to the temple at Shiloh to serve under the priest Eli. Samuel alayhi salam grew up in the temple, learning about God and becoming a faithful servant. One night, when Samuel alayhi salam was about 12 years old, Allah called him. At first, Samuel alayhi salam didn't recognize Allah's voice, but Eli helped him understand that it was Allah speaking to him. From then on, Samuel alayhi salam became a prophet, delivering Allah's messages to the people. As Samuel alayhi salam grew older, the people of Israel asked him to appoint a king to rule over them, because they wanted to be like the surrounding nations. Samuel alayhi salam was unhappy with their request, as Allah had been their king, but Allah told Samuel alayhi salam to listen to the people. Samuel alayhi salam anointed Talut, the first king of Israel. But the people of Israel were not happy from him because he was not from a rich and noble family. The people of Israel rejected, and they wanted that the king must be appointed from amongst them. Samuel alayhi salam was very disappointed and went to the house of Jesse in Bethlehem, where he found Daud alayhi salam, the youngest son, who was a shepherd. Allah chose Daud alayhi salam to be the next king, and Samuel alayhi salam anointed him, even though Daud alayhi salam was just a boy. The Ark of the Covenant, a sacred chest containing the tablets of the 10 Commandments, symbolized Allah's presence with the Israelites. During Samuel alayhi salam time, the ark was captured by the Philistines, but later returned after causing trouble for them. Samuel alayhi salam, in his leadership, helped guide Israel in restoring faith and proper worship of Allah, including the ark's central role in the nation's spiritual life. Samuel alayhi salam continued to serve as a prophet and judge, guiding Israel in times of war and peace. He helped lead the Israelites through battles and advised them on how to live according to Allah's will. He also warned them about the dangers of turning away from righteous way of Allah. Throughout his life, Samuel alayhi salam was known for his wisdom, fairness, and deep faith in Allah. Samuel alayhi salam also played a key role in the transition from Talut kingship to Daud alayhi salam. Although Talut was still the king when Daud alayhi salam was anointed, because Samuel alayhi salam knew that Daud alayhi salam was the one chosen by Allah to lead Israel. Samuel alayhi salam anointing of Daud alayhi salam was a turning point in Israel's history, setting the stage for Daud alayhi salam to become one of the greatest kings of Israel. Before Samuel alayhi salam died, he gathered the people of Israel together to remind them of their covenant with Allah. He encouraged them to be faithful to Allah and warned them of the consequences of sin. Samuel alayhi salam died in his old age, and the people of Israel mourned his passing because he had been a faithful leader who helped guide them through difficult times. In the Bible, Samuel alayhi salam is remembered as a prophet who faithfully followed Allah and served the people of Israel. He played a crucial role in the history of Israel, helping to establish the monarchy and guiding the nation through times of change. His life is a powerful example of faith, obedience, and leadership. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment down.